This is an upper and lower body powerlift demonstration and presentation by Rachel Castaldo. The lower body powerlift that will be analyzed is the hang clean. The hang clean consists of many transitions and phases consisting of the starting position, the upward phase, first pull, the upward phase transition, the upward movement, upward catch phase, and downward catch phase. So cueing this move, you will have the athlete standing with feet about shoulder width apart, close pronated grip. The bar will start at the knee or above or below the knee. You first start with extension at the hips and knees. You shrug the shoulders to the highest point, the highest elevation they can get, and then you'll pull the body under the bar. The bar is then caught on the clavicle and the anterior deltoid, and the bar is unracked and brought back down to the thighs with knee and hip flexion. The upper body powerlift analyzed is the push press. The push press has different phases, such as the starting position, prep phase, upward movement phase, and the downward movement phase. You'll start your athlete with a closed pronated grip, just about wider than shoulder width apart. Feet will be hip width, feet flat on the floor, and slightly outward or straight. The bar starts on the anterior deltoid and clavicle. It will produce flexion of the hips and knees into a quarter squat, and then you'll quickly extend hips, knees, ankles, and shoulder, and you'll push the bar overhead, then controlling the movement back downwards, resting back onto the clavicle and anterior deltoid. Four sports that can benefit from the push press and hang clean are tennis, football, volleyball, and water polo. Each sport has their own needs analysis, but they all require upper and lower explosive power, strength, speed, and stability. The hang clean is primarily a lower body move, so it works on lower body and the mechanics, but it can be considered a whole body exercise and it requires things like coordination and balance. The push press is primarily an upper body move / exercise and improves overhead stability, strength, and posture. In conclusion, power moves are very technical, but they do elicit great results when they are done properly and with correct form. The hang clean is a lower body move, but overall does work the whole body. The push press focuses on upper body strength, power, and stability. Before performing any power move, a lead-up lift should be implemented prior to make sure that the athlete has a good understanding of the exact move that will be done throughout this power move. And athletes should have a basic knowledge and practice in strength training, just because this wouldn't be something that a individual with a 0 training age should do. This would also avoid any potential injury. And power moves in general, they benefit several, if not all, sports. This was the reference I used. Thank you for listening.